Welcome back to AI Inception. In this video, we will embark on a captivating journey into the realms where human expertise triumphs over the prowess of artificial intelligence. Today, we explore 12 domains where AI's reach falters, affirming that the essence of humanity prevails. These are the 12 jobs that AI will never replace. 1. Teachers. Learning spans 15 to 20 crucial years of our lives. Teachers, as mentors, play a pivotal role in shaping our values and understanding. The human touch in education is irreplaceable, making fully digital teaching experiences improbable. The rich tapestry of human connection in classrooms cultivates not just knowledge but a profound understanding of life's nuances. 2. Lawyers and judges. Negotiation, strategy, and case analysis involve a human touch. Personal experience and knowledge are vital in navigating complex legal systems. The nuanced decision-making required in trials goes beyond the capabilities of even the most law-savvy AI. Legal proceedings are a delicate dance where human intuition and empathy are the choreographers guiding justice. 3. Directors, managers, and CEOs. Leadership is a complex interplay of behaviors not easily codified. CEOs convey a company's mission and values, a task unlikely to be entrusted to robots by investors. The dynamic nature of leadership requires adaptability, emotional intelligence, and a profound understanding of human motivations. 4. Politicians. Humans excel in devising creative solutions for unforeseen circumstances, a crucial skill for politicians. The recent pandemic highlighted the profound impact of human decisions, making robots unlikely candidates for political representation. The essence of democracy lies in the diversity of human perspectives and the collective wisdom of our elected leaders. 5. HR managers. Human resource managers require a multitude of soft skills for tasks like maintaining staff motivation and detecting signs of discontent. The human touch in understanding candidates' suitability is challenging to program into machines. Nurturing a positive work environment demands the intuitive understanding of human emotions and a compassionate response to the ever-evolving dynamics within a team. 6. Singers. AI-produced music lacks the emotional depth and connection that singers bring to their performances. Emotions are inherently human, making singers irreplaceable. The magic of a live performance, with its imperfections and genuine emotion, creates an unbreakable bond between the artist and the audience. 7. Psychologists and psychiatrists. Mental health, a delicate topic, demands a human touch. Human experiences are essential for effective support, rendering these professions resistant to AI intrusion. The therapeutic alliance, built on trust and shared humanity, forms the bedrock of mental health support, transcending the confines of any algorithm. 8. Priests and other spiritual figures. Spirituality, a fundamental aspect of the human experience, requires the human connection provided by priests and spiritual figures. Faith, empathy, compassion, and emotion are integral and unlikely to be replicated by AI. In moments of spiritual seeking and solace, the presence of a compassionate guide becomes an irreplaceable anchor for the human soul. 9. Surgeons. While technology aids in diagnostics and precision, surgery involves connecting with patients on multiple levels. Critical decisions during operations necessitate a human presence. The delicate dance of surgical expertise intertwines with the human touch, offering not just physical healing but emotional reassurance in moments of vulnerability. 10. Professional athletes. The essence of sports lies in human achievements and emotions. Watching athletes push physical boundaries and express joy or satisfaction is uniquely human, making AI competition less appealing. Athletic prowess is a celebration of the human body's potential, coupled with the emotional spectrum that defines the human experience. 11. Computer system analysts. Maintenance, updates, and improvements in complex software and hardware systems require human expertise. The increasing interconnectivity of devices in the Internet of Things will only amplify the need for human involvement. As our digital landscape evolves, The guardianship of technology demands the nuanced understanding and problem-solving skills unique to the human mind. 12. Artists and writers. The vast, creative world of art, with its unpredictability and rule-breaking, remains a domain challenging for AI. Writing, especially, involves an imaginative finesse that AI struggles to replicate. The creative process, an intricate dance between chaos and order, finds its heartbeat in the hands of artists and writers, crafting narratives that resonate with the complexity of the human experience. AI and technology are not adversaries. Instead, they serve as tools to enhance our capabilities. Much like household appliances save time, AI allows us to focus on adding value, creativity, and reclaim our time. The future lies in collaboration, not competition. What are your thoughts on the future of your profession in this evolving landscape? Share your insights in the comments and don't forget to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.